and jump down, take more damage, which is unnecessary. Quick drink that fucking flask. No scream. Why isn't he screaming? Oh shit. Fuck, he got me. Fuck. Jesus Christ. All I was trying to do was position myself. Ay, ay, ay. Nah, they respawn straight away. He's the Lord of Death. Nito. With his miasma of death and decay. He can blow it out his ass. Yeah, dude, bosses in this game are nothing compared to Dark Souls 2. Yeah, they might, in Dark Souls 2 they might have mechanics where they can two-shot you or one-shot you, but in this, man, they're just, it's on a whole nother level, in my opinion. And there's, like, the sub-bosses are just ridiculous. Get the fuck through. Move, drink. Now you see why I've died nearly 400 times and I've got like 4 bosses to go. Oh no, no, I couldn't even move. Oh my god. I couldn't even move, they boxed me in. Are you still there, Rob? You gotta tell me at least like a part of a strat. Skeleton Frenzy, you got that right, Paul. It's ridiculous. Like, they boxed me in and I couldn't even move. I'm just happy I've memorized from the bonfire to the boss. But everything behind all that, this whole area, Andy, before you get even to where I'm at now, everything's dark. There's no way to see at all. Until I went to another place and got this lantern, then I had to come back. Just because I couldn't find my way through here. And there's no travel until, I don't know, like 10 bosses in or some shit. It's ridiculous. You have to actually run everywhere. Yeah, this game's quite retarded compared to Dark Souls 2's like a walk in the park compared to this. That's what everyone's been telling me that plays Dark Souls 1. Apart from Imbuer. Imbuer likes Dark Souls 2, I guess. Fuck off. Oh, fuck off. Fucking bastard got me. Fuck off. Oh, shit. I spent, what, how many hours did I spend on Pikachu and Snorlax, Rob? Was it like 14 hours on one boss? And I died probably, get good, I died probably about 100 and, nah, was it about 100 times on that boss? Hmm. Yeah, it was about 14 hours on one boss. So 2.5 streams of me just dying non-stop, and then I finally bet it and I yelled "fuck you" at it. Fucking hell. Oh shit, move, move! What the fuck, they boxed me in again. Oh my god. The pain train is real. Oh, the pain train is real. Come on man, one strat. One like little bit of Riddler advice that you've ever so pro been at giving. Run, god damn it. Yeah, the only time all aboard on the train, choo choo. I'll wait. And then...
Game over.
Yeah, I'm fucked. Oh wait, I've got to check if my follower shit's working. Oh yeah. Just had to check if it was working. Piss off, you're not gonna hit me. I gotta get a train sound for my soundboard. Fucking bastard. Oh. You ain't gonna shoot me, motherfucker. Dodge, kill, kill, attack, kill, kill, dodge. Holy shit. Oh shit. Why can't they be easy like, you know, the mask face guy? Fuck, he was the easiest boss ever. Well, him and the pussy with teeth. And repeat the process till done, Kappa. Fucking hell. Okay. Oh no, 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 no! Fucking hell. Oh, I dodged it. Try and impale me, motherfucker. Got me. Oh, really? Get wrecked by Nito. Do you even Nito, bro? Fuck. Oh, hit him, hit him, hit him. Sweet. Fuck off. Oh yeah. Oh, wait up. Yeah, that was 381 now. Oh. Oh, for fuck's sake. That's fucked, man. You know what I should have got? A soundboard sound of Duke Nukem telling them to blow it out their ass. Especially the bosses that fart. Like, like Pikachu. Well, the big Pikachu. The Spider Queen Quillag, and I know I'm not doing your strats. Your strats are too hard. And what other boss farts? Can't remember. Is he weak against fire? Fucking hell. Shit. Oh, no, 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 no. These bastards are gonna end up killing me before I get in there. All those questions while I'm waiting on the train. Fucking cunt. No, they got me boxed in. Fucking serious? Oh, fuck. So what, after, is Nito DLC? God damn it. Is Nito DLC, or is it him then Lord Gwen or whatever? Mr. Bubbles. You've never seen someone, welcome Mr. Bubbles, how the fuck have you never seen someone die to Nito?